Alright, taco review time. We are actually at 20539 Devonshire. This is in Chatsworth, California. What is this place called? This is called La Barquita. I swear to God, me doing these taco reviews, I need to learn how to speak Spanish because this is pathetic. What is a guy like me doing living in Southern California and I don't know how to speak Spanish? But you know what? That's besides the point. We're still on track to go ahead and try to find the best taco in all of LA. And for the love of God, thank God, we went ahead and got fish tacos today. So we got ourselves a fish taco. La Barquita seafood. So we're gonna pop this guy down because they give you some other stuff in here. Hook you up with a little bit of chips. Went ahead and got you. See, this is why I love places like this. This is why these are places that you don't even know exist. And like, I don't understand why people are lined up at Baja Fresh, but you don't come to a place like this. It blows me in mind. Hook you up with a line. Mind you, I got the fish taco. Okay, I got a fish taco. You got that. This is when you know you came to a legit spot. Whenever the front of the Coke says, it goes by liters. Got myself a Coke, got myself the hot sauces and everything, and we got it all for $4.88. You got the 2 hot sauces here. And of course she was very, very, very generous. And then she gave me this green hot sauce. I have no idea what any of them are, but we're